this in this wonderful place.
Hi, my name is Griet Johanna and I believe you can work from your soul essence in your purpose. Join me on this journey of becoming a corporate wellness coordinator or consultant and watch our videos.
Oh my God, I love this view. It's like heaven when I woke up this morning. It's a great place, a great adventure, and when you invest in this adventure, it will be the best time ever your life. You can create your own life, dream life, the best.
Do you want to work in well-being? Do you want to try if this lifestyle could be for you? Are you passionate about helping people with their health and well-being? And keep watching our vlogs and learn how to authentically connect with people in sales meetings and when doing projects with companies. Stay tuned because we're gonna bring a lot of really fun well-being content just for you.
What level are you playing right now? Embrace healthy habits and create a level of a healthy mind in your life.
So if you're working in Bali and you're going to Waterfall and you want to do some co-work, these are the things you want to bring. First, you always want to have some cash with you. This is Indonesian rupiah, because if you need to have some gas or fuel, you may need to have cash. Second thing, you want to bring your international driver's license. That's the one that's very important when you get stopped at the street. And I do recommend some closed shoes, just in case if your motor that you can step left or right. I do bring my flip-flops with me because I get too hot quickly. Always, 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 always in Indonesia, bring a bikini with you. You never know, it gets really hot here to swim. And then your work gear is your laptop. Have your laptop with you, your phone with you. Not all places have internet or Wi-Fi, so your phone can have a personal hotspot via 4G with Telkomsel to your laptop. We bought 35 GB yesterday for I think 200,000. That's kind of the price, so that's about 20 euro for 35 GB, and that should bring you a month at least. And some fancy clothes, because if you go to a waterfall, you're all sporty. If you go to a cafe, you want to have some fancy clothes to do your computer work. So that's it, we're ready to go to the waterfall, and now you have everything you need.
Many colors, green colors, gray, green, very nice to be here. And we are searching one of the best waterfall places ever, maybe in the world. Look at
There's even faces, just in the rocks there's like faces here. And the hike coming up from down was one of the most beautiful we've seen here in Bali. It's such a lush, green, beautiful way down.
Quite relaxed.
You haven't seen anyone else?
With the sound of the waterfall already. Really.
Are you swimming?
Yeah, I will swim. If it's possible, I will definitely swim. Okay, let's go. For this visit to the waterfalls in Munduk, you have to pay 20,000 Balinese rupiah. Yeah. At the entrance, you can have it. You can have your tickets in this wonderful view. Oh my God!
Wow! These faces again. They have these faces everywhere. They're in our room. Breathtaking. Oh, it's the best.
Yeah, I have seen. It's like a poster here, and
this roof.
And the ride with it was the first time with the scooter. Riding with scooter, it was wonderful. You will experience the freedom you will deserve. In Bali, near Munduk, I've seen breathtaking waterfalls here. It's like the food is like when you are energized and you're taking the good food right now, it will be the best thing you can do. And it takes you to a peaceful grounding process. The best is yet to come then.
Thank you for joining us today in this journey where we went from showing how we work, where we stay, to Waterfall, to finish off with some work. It's actually also my birthday, so I'm really happy to be here and finishing this day off here. If you want to learn more about this lifestyle, working in well-being, watch the video. I'll put the video in the comments, and in that video I'll explain a little bit more what the job is you can do, freelance remotely, and then work from right here in the Botanist in Bali. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.